Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can turn off the Find My iPhone option. So to do this, just go and tap on the settings. So once you reach this page, tap on the name on the top of your screen. So as you scroll down, you will see a Find My option. Just tap this option. Then on the top of the screen you will see a Find My iPhone option. Once again tap on this option. Now again you can see Find My iPhone option. So as you can see, this is turned on right now, but however if you want to turn off this option, just tap on the slider. So now you need to enter your Apple ID password as well. Okay, so after entering the password, tap on the turn off option that's on the upper right hand corner of the screen. That's how you can turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone or iPad. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.